Hello everyone, let's continue this chapter 5, section 4, the Second World War 1939-1945. So the summary of the Providence. So in the Second World War, democracy, while standing upon the formation state's victory attained in the First World War, defeated fascism and secured victory of the growth stage. So the nation on God's side and the nation on Satan's side in the Second World War. The Second World War, an alliance of democratic nations of the United States, Great Britain, and France. So this is the God side and led the nation of God's side. Satan's side was the alliance of the fascism nation, Germany, Japan, and Italy. So about the providential roles of three nations on God's side and Satan's side. So in the beginning, it was due to the fall of Adam and Eve and the archangel that God's three great blessings were not realized. Accordingly, during the Second World War, the three nations on God's side, representing Adam, Eve, and the archangel, led the fight against the three nations of Satan's side, which also represented Adam and Eve and the archangel. The victory of the nation on God's side would make an indemnity condition for the restoration of the three great blessings. So the United States, Great Britain, and France represented Adam and Eve and archangels on God's side, and Germany, Japan, and Italy represented Adam, Eve, and the archangel on Satan's side. So the providential causes behind the Second World War. Number one, indemnity condition to restore God's three great blessings at the growth stage. Number two, overcome Jesus' second temptation. Number three, growth stage foundation for the restoration of God's sovereignty. So the last of this topic, the providential results of the Second World War. Second World War, victory of God's side. Number one, fulfillment, the growth stage condition to restore three blessings. Number two, fulfill the condition to restore second blessing. And number three, establish the growth stage foundation for the restoration of God's sovereignty. So the age for building a new heaven and new earth under leadership of Christ, the second advent, had begun, and the growth stage of the dispensation, the second advent, commenced. Okay, everybody, this is all for today. Bye, everyone.